Hi, I'm Arthur Atwell of Electric Bookworks, and I'm going to be showing you our brand new Moxieland ebook. It's the ebook edition of Lauren Bierk's fantastic near future novel set in Cape Town, and the ebook edition, first as PDF, is going to be coming out shortly, and I'm just going to show you the around the ebook in Adobe Reader and Adobe Digital Editions, the two players we recommend reading the ebook in. Electric Bookworks has been working on Moxieland for some time, and we are pretty pleased with what we've achieved with the PDF. I'll take you through some of those things. Here we are, we're looking at the Moxieland ebook in Adobe Reader, which most people will probably open the PDF in first. And the PDF will open to the cover page here. It'll fit to the size of the screen. I've got a nice big screen here, so it's pretty large. I'm going to just reduce this here on the zoom down to about 80–90% perhaps. There you can see you can control your zoom based on what you're going to be looking at. That's what most people will see when they open on most screens. Over on the left here, I've got a set of bookmarks that open when I open the Moxieland ebook, and this is what I'm going to use to navigate my way around the ebook as I work. The Moxieland chapters here can be expanded by pressing on a little plus button. There we can see all our chapters. The chapters in Moxieland are named after the characters who are speaking in the chapters, and hence the names. I'll just close that. So here we are on the cover of the Moxieland ebook. I can move from page to page using a scroll of my mouse. I can use the scroll bar on the side of the PDF here. I can use the arrow keys. I'm going to use the arrow keys right now just to move to the next page. Either down or right will take me to the next page. In page 2, we've put on some tips about the Moxieland ebook and how to read it. This is because a lot of people won't be too familiar with using PDF ebooks, and so what we're going to be doing is giving some tips on how to use them. We start off by recommending Adobe Acrobat Reader or Digital Editions as ways to open and read the PDF ebook. We talk a bit about the fact that how we've sized the pages, how to use bookmarks. That's what I'm going to show you now. And probably the coolest thing about this ebook, how we've embedded the music and the soundtrack. The soundtrack is being selected by a record company in Cape Town called African Dope Records, and the author Lauren Bierk, and it's some great music to listen to while you read the ebook. Here at the bottom of the page we've got 3 tabs. The first takes you to this page, reading this ebook, in case you need to refresh your memory while you're reading the book. These tabs appear on every page in the book. The soundtrack tab, we'll get to that in a second, that'll take you to the page that controls the soundtrack. And the third tab takes you to our online ebook help. If you click on the online ebook help, you go to our page online. I'll just flip across to that very quickly. This is the page you'd open. And on our online ebook help, you'll see some more detailed guidelines on reading the ebook in Acrobat Reader, in Adobe Digital Editions, and a few other really useful tips. I'll just go back to Acrobat Reader here. So I'm going to go down to the next page, which is the soundtrack. I'll do that by using the tab down here. Just click on the soundtrack tab. There we are on the soundtrack. This is maximized so I can see what's going on. And there are 14 tracks in the soundtrack. All really good South African groups who produced music over the years with African Dope Records have been combined here. And they really fit beautifully with the Moxieland look and feel. I'll just quickly play one of the tracks here. This is Mix and Blend Beautiful. I just click on that. Acrobat Reader will ask me if I'm happy to play this multimedia content. I just go play, and it will start playing. If I want to skip to later on in the track, I can just skip along a little bit. And you've got the soundtrack playing. If I now want to go and keep reading, go to where I was in the book. Let's say I'm here on chapter 2. Here I'm on chapter 2, and I can start reading. I can use my arrow keys just to move from page to page, or my scroll on my mouse. Now that I actually want to stop the soundtrack playing, I just click, remember I'm on page 15, so I can find my place again. Click on the soundtrack tab, and I'm just going to pause this track. There we go, pause track. I can come back and carry on playing that later. go back over to my bookmarks here. We've also put some other things in the book. Lauren's acknowledgements to the people who helped her when she wrote the book. A little bit about the author herself. You can see there's a picture of Lauren in the ebook. Some reviews about Moxieland and how brilliant it is. There's been a lot of reviews about the book since the print edition came out. And just some useful websites to go to relating to the website, to the book itself. The Moxieland's own website, electrobookworks.com, that's our publishing website, and African Dope, the company that produced the soundtrack. I'm just going to flip across now to the other reader we recommend reading the ebook in, Adobe Digital Editions. It's not a very well-known ebook reader just yet, but will become increasingly so. It's only been out from Adobe for a couple of years and specializes in reading PDF documents and EPUB documents, which is a different kind of ebook format. Here I'm looking at my library view, and if I had more ebooks loaded on my digital editions, in digital editions on my computer, there would be other covers here. For now, I've just got Moxieland in my library, and now I want to open Moxieland, so I'm just going to double click on Moxieland, and now I'm in the book, in the reading view in digital editions. Now, digital editions is a really super lightweight version of the PDF reader. It's much smaller than Acrobat Reader. It does less, but as far as ebook reading goes, it does it better. You can see here over on the left, I've got my bookmarks the same as I did in Acrobat Reader, and I can use those to navigate the book. So I'm going to just hop over here to the soundtrack page. There's the soundtrack page again, and again I can play tracks from there and pause them. Over here at the top right, I've got some tools for zooming in and out of the book. So at the moment, this is fitting the whole page of the book to my screen. If I want to change the view, I can go to Custom Fit button, click on that here. Now it's really zooming it in. I can zoom out a little bit, or I can zoom right in. But yeah, you're not really going to need to look at the ebook that closely. Back to my Fits page. And we're looking at the ebook that way. If I want to resize the whole of digital edition so I don't have it taking up my whole screen, I can obviously just restore it down a little bit to a smaller size, and the page will automatically resize according to what I need it to be at the time. Digital editions is a great little reader, and used in conjunction with Adobe Reader, one can really find different features of each that suit best. That's a quick view around our ebook for Moxieland. It'll be available soon from lots of ebook retailers, and if you can't find it, the best thing to do is go to moxieland.com, where you can read lots more about the book. You can see Lauren's own entries about the latest for the book, and you can find a way to buy the ebook and the print edition. Thanks.